Hello, I'm LuAnn Kilday, Education Coordinator at the New Mexico Farm and Ranch Heritage Museum. I'm going to go ahead and take off my mask. I'm here in my home office by myself, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own dryer balls. And dryer balls we use to dry our clothes. It reduces on the amount of dry time, and it also reduces static. So you can use these instead of a dryer sheet. You're going to need to get some wool. You can buy some wool roving online, or you can use some wool. This is a bat that I made on my drum carder. And you're going to need about 1 ounce. And I'm going to divide my bat into 3 sections. Let me go ahead and tip this camera down. And we're going to take the first section and just roll it in a ball. And after we get it rolled, we dip it in hot soapy water. I'm just using some dish soap. Then we take the second layer, do the same thing. Wrap it in the ball, dip it in the water, and then we take our third layer. Dip that in the water, and then we're just going to get a knee-high hose, and we're going to put that ball in that hose, and then we're going to wrap what's left around the ball. And I already have a Ziploc with 2 other dryer balls and the hot soapy water, and we're going to agitate this for about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so you just keep doing that because you want that dryer ball to felt. After the time is up, you take the hose off of your dryer ball, and then what I do is I throw them in the dryer for about 20 minutes, and what that does is that firms up the dryer ball, and it just makes it nice and smooth on the outside. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this demonstration, and good luck making your dryer balls. Be safe, be healthy, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.